Zhejiang New Debao Machinery Company Limited, which has been founded in 2001, owns more than 20 years' experience in producing, researching, and selling paper cup machines and auxiliary equipments. NewTop has gained more than 100 patents, 30 software copyrights, and 16 invention patents. NewTop Company equips the most advanced workshop. The processing machines are imported from Germany, Japan, USA, and Korea, so as to making the most accurate spare parts. Zeiss 3 coordinates in the lab help to achieve the accuracy of inspection for machine parts, to ensure the overall reliability of the cup machines and achieve world-class product standards. NewTop Paper Cup Machines. Make the work so simple is our slogan. NewTop has various models of paper cup machines, aimed to meet different demands of customers. All the sizes from minimum size 2.5 ounce to maximum 170 ounce can be formed by our machines, like espresso coffee cup, hot cold drink cup, ice cream cup, salad bowl, and KFC wing bucket, etc. We successfully unveiled the horizontal high-speed intelligent paper cup machine in 2020, NewTop 258S, whose stable working speed can reach 200 to 260 pieces per minute. In order to achieve saving labor and maintenance cost, NewTop provides you with automatic material feeder and automatic packaging line. After calculating and planning by a professional engineer, we provide layout for how to settle machines in your factory, help you use each inch of precious work area well. We are committed to the research and development of paper cup making industry 4.0, providing customers with a comprehensive system of the best combination of the overall solution, building intelligent unmanned workshop, information of things, digital management system. NewTop not only provides 24-hour online service, but also can dispatch engineer to your factory, do the maintenance and teaching. NewTop is the Chinese top professional manufacturer of paper cup machines with experienced engineers, perfect after-sell team. You won't have any difficulties after owning the machines.